Hey, what's up, traders? Hey, guys. What's good with y'all, man? It's MET. Hey, bro, if you've been on regular on the channel, you already know what we finna do. So, look, I'm recording one hand right now, so you gotta help me out with the X, bro. MET. XRO. What's good with y'all, man? It's Metro, and I'm back with another motherfucking video, man. It's been a couple days. I was up. This nigga just always fucking on my intro. Gang, what's the deal, gang? What's the deal, gang? What's the deal, gang? What we doing? Oh, y'all know y'all see the basketball and the motherfucking. Oh yeah. I was really just doing runs with Lonzo Ball and all the, you know what I'm saying, all the little top athletes and shit. But yeah, man, today it's just gonna be a chill day. I got some packages, some orders I gotta drop off. I gotta go get some supplies. So basically I'm finna just go get the supplies first. Go call in my food, so by the time I finish doing all the shit I gotta do, it'll be ready. Then after that, we gonna go to the post office, drop the orders off, go grab the food, and everything after that is just on some chill shit. So, oh yeah, first thing first, I do want to tell y'all, I did just recently pass a challenge and shit. I'll talk about it more when I get in the car, like, you know, I always do like the little driving and little talking shit, you know. So I'll talk about all that in the car. But other than that, today's gonna be a chill day. Might like add some clips of me playing the game at the end, so some chill shit to show you what I do and what I don't do. Like, I'm not finna go on a yacht, bro. Like, I'm finna show y'all exactly what I be seeing outside. Look. Okay. That was a terrible fucking angle. But yeah, hey man, catch y'all niggas in the car. Niggas and wiggas, whatever else you might be. Fuck. Alright, man. So as y'all can see, we back in the whip, alright? So boom. It was a little bit more snow, because we had got some snow. I'm not gonna say where I'm at, but I'm like right near Chicago. So we got a little bit of snow. As you can like probably see like little spots on the ground and shit. But yeah, so alright, I'm trying to see where I want to start off at. So I'm gonna just talk about this trading week, just to start it off and then build it up to, you know, the prop firm account and all that shit. So boom, this week I had like I only traded fuck, I only traded 2 days this week. I traded, I think, Monday, a Tuesday, and then I traded Thursday. So pretty sure I traded Monday. I posted on Instagram, man. If y'all follow me on Instagram, you know what I'm saying, that's where I post most of my stuff at. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can connect with me. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all just follow me. Send me a little message and we can chop it up. I'll follow you back and everything. I promise you. I'm not Hollywood, bro. I'm like really not Hollywood. I promise you. But yeah. So I only traded 2 days. The first day I traded, I took a loss. Well, it's like a super small loss. You feel me? It's like a super small loss. And like, bro, I hate when motherfuckers do that mini ass stop, bro. That's why I did the minier stop. Cause I saw that motherfucker was on some bullshit, and I was like, nah, fuck it. I'm finna cut my stop short and finna go. My bad, I'm yakking and shit. But traded the first day, only lost like $30, so it was really literally nothing. I'm not gonna say that the amount of prop term account I'm trading, but $30 loss it's not shit. I call that shit break even. So then the day I traded, I think I traded Thursday. It was like Wednesday, it was like Wednesday rolling into, bro, get in the left side, come on, gang. But it was on the left side. What the fuck? Now I'm talking about the car. But yeah, nah. So it was like Wednesday rolling into Thursday night. So basically it was like technically Thursday, but it was like 2 a.m., right? And I caught a decent ass setup, and I was like, oh, this shit fire, you feel me? So once that happened, I took advantage of that setup. Boom. Past my challenge account. Now this challenge account I had since I think I bought it when I was still at Amazon right before I quit, and I was like, look, bro, like I'm lock in on this shit, and thanking God I locked in on this shit. So yeah, man, let's see, I feel like I know that nigga just whatever he's standing. I feel like I know the nigga to stand like that. But yeah, so we passed the challenge account. As y'all, if maybe y'all don't know, I'm with prop firm. What the fuck? I'm with Funding Pips, and Funding Pips, I fuck with them. I'm not gonna lie, I fuck with Funding Pips. They valid, they cool, and hey man, so I passed the challenge account. So now all I'm waiting on is just for them to send me like the actual account where I'm able to like withdraw and shit. So we're just waiting on that right now. Damn. We just waiting on that right now, just to get like the information, a login account, and you know, just all like the information and stuff like that. So in my next video, I should have it if everything go right, and I will be able to, you know, update y'all and, you know, all that other shit. And hey man, just some advice for people who going through challenges. Kind of like I say, I'm not gonna touch on it too much in my last video, but hey man, if you doing the challenge account, bro, and you know you in drawdown, bro, like real shit, just take it trade by trade, gang. I promise you, this shit is it's mostly mostly mental things, psychological, bro. I promise you. So I'm not gonna go too much deep into it. Pause. I ain't gonna lie, shit. I ain't gonna lie. When it get that time, I do be trying to go deep into that motherfucker. Let me chill. I got kids on my channel, I think. But yeah, man. Yeah, just take it trade by trade. I'm not, like I said, I'm not gonna get too much deep into it, because you know I made a whole video and I'm not finna just try to recreate the same video. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. Other than that, bro, it's everything. Like I'm not gonna say everything is plotting out how I want it to, but everything is. Hey man, it's all I can do is thank God it's going according to plan. You know what I'm saying? And hey man, all I can say is I'm blessed. You know, I'm blessed. Like, you know, when I first quit my job, I didn't doubt myself. It was just, you know, it's my first time like quitting my job. It's my first time like not relying on, I wouldn't say relying, but just like I guess you could say depending on like that consistent check to come each and every week. You know how much you're gonna make, you know when it's gonna hit, and you know it's guaranteed that you're gonna get paid that. You know what I'm saying? So I wasn't really scared. I was just really just being cautious and shit, and like really saving like my first 2 weeks, and not really trying to eat out, not really trying to do this, trying to do that. Because at the end of the day, bro, you don't really know with this trading shit, you never know if you're gonna have a bad, you never know when you're gonna have a bad week, you never know, anything can happen, bro. You know what I'm saying? So I definitely took that into consideration. So I knew for a fact if I wasn't able to trade for at least 1 month, I was like, okay, look, this is what we gonna do, bro. Even if I'm not able to trade or make money for 1 month, I'm still gonna be able to like, what the fuck? I'm gonna be quiet. But yeah, like if I'm not gonna be able to make money for 1 month, I'll still be good. You know what I'm saying? So I had to make sure that. So anyone ever about to quit their job or some shit like that, make sure you got enough funds just in case you don't make money. God damn, this bitch is busting. Holy shit. She finna take my part. No. But yeah, man, I'm not, like I said, I already made a video on this. I'm not trying to go too deep into detail. So yeah, man, we finna just go up in here. I'm not really gonna record up in here. Just because, you know, I don't really like recording people, you know, just in case they don't be recorded. So we finna just go up in here and drop the packages off. It's 1:03 p.m. right now. So I'll see y'all once I get back in the vehicle. All right, man, so we back in the whip. Some BS basically that happened. Well, I ain't gonna say bullshit, but I guess since I forgot what the lady said about Canada or some shit, but she was just basically just talking about how I wasn't able to one of my orders was supposed to be going to Canada, right? And I guess they said they can't ship to Canada because of something that's going on right now, and this might take up like to a month or some shit. So yeah, man, I gotta talk to the customer. I gotta, you know, let them know and be like, hey, look, I can send you your money back, but you know what I'm saying, I can send, I'm either send the money back, I'm gonna just tell her, hey, look, I can either send the money back, or I can just hold on to it and try to, like, you know, get more information and see if there's another way I can get it to you, and then just go about it like that. So I mean, hey, bro, it is what it is. I mean, shit, the world be doing some crazy ass shit. This is my first time shipping to Canada. I shipped to like Germany and all this other shit, and I'm supposed to be having an order from Jamaica soon. So hey, man, it is what it is, bro. So I ain't gonna lie, it kind of blew me, but at the same time, it is what it is, bro. So I'm gonna catch y'all in the next clip after I grab my food. No bad. So yeah, man, we about to go grab this food, man. It's a place called, I ain't even gonna drop the place. Y'all niggas might find that shit and wait outside this shit every day for me to rob a nigga. Can't go like that, fam. But yeah, we finna go grab some food real fast, and that's it. Hey, what's good with y'all, man? So look, so apparently I guess I was at the post office too long, but the guy was cool as hell. Like when I went up in there and they tell him I picked up my order, he was basically just like, hey, you know, since it's been kind of a while, we can remake it for you so it can be fresh, you know, this and that. I'm like, all right, cool. You know what I'm saying? He ain't gonna charge me extra. Because at the post office, when like before, I guess the guy before me was trying to also ship to Canada, and they were like, yeah, no, we're not shipping to Canada, this and that. And I'm like, oh shit, what the fuck? Like, damn. So I spent like 5, 7, 8 minutes up there just like talking to the lady, just trying to figure out how this shit gonna work and like what's going on. So I was like low key like 25 minutes late. So yeah, so I'm just waiting. He said he was gonna like just remake the food for me, free of charge and shit. I'm like, hey bro, real shit, I appreciate that. A lot of motherfuckers, they would have just been like, hey bro, here you go. So hey, shout out to bro, no bullshit. But while I'm in the car waiting, he said it's gonna take about 20 minutes. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to cook up a little parlay. So
this shit
tonight,
did not hit. I'm not gonna lie, these niggas sold me. I ended up mad as fuck.
Money line, the Bucks plus 11.5 alternate spread. And the reason I got that is because the Bucks are a good team. No cap. The Bucks is a good team, but if you watch that last Cup game, bro, I'm not gonna lie. The OKC was shooting fucking terrible, and it was like halftime, and they were like 1 for 17, and was only down by like, let me see, they were only down by what, like 1 point? Yeah, it was like 50-51. So I ain't the Cleveland Cavaliers, bro. I'm not trying to jinx it, but if the way they've been playing, if you know, you know. So, and then the Charlotte, I got the 76ers money line, well, alternate spread minus 5.5, so they have to win by 6 points or more. And the reason I'm taking this one is because LaMelo Ball is not playing, and LaMelo Ball he's a demon. So, and I think, yeah, they got Joel Embiid today. They got Paul George, Tyrese Maxey. So hopefully they can catch a dub. And I'm gonna find a couple more legs to probably throw up on here, just because it's only 3 games. But hey, man, I'll chop it up back with y'all when I get the food. All right, man. So we back, y'all. Hey, man. We got the food. So I'm just finna go back to the crib. I already texted the customer. I was waiting on the response, And I don't ever mind giving a refund. Like when stuff don't go the way, I'm not gonna try to hold on to their money. I literally just gave it an option. Hey, look, I can try again in 2 days, and then if it don't work in 2 days, then I'll just happily send you a refund. Like I'm just not that type of person that just, oh no, you sent the money, so I'm not. Fuck what you say, nah, bro. That ain't how I run a business, Hey, look, if I'm not able to satisfy, the customer like I think I should, then I'm gonna just give you your money back. I feel like that's how a lot of people should be, but a lot of people ain't like that. So, hey, man, so I'm gonna just wait on their response. I got some tacos, got some chicken tacos, cilantro, onion. Oh yeah, onion. Yeah, what you know about that onion? Yeah. But yeah, man, it's cold outside today, so. Bless me, excuse me, dumbass. But I'm really finna just go back to the crib, chill, do some shit for social media, and after that we just gonna vibe, bro. Like I'm just vibing today. Cause I didn't do anything for social media today yet, so I gotta get on that. And damn, what the fuck? Oh, never mind, I'm tripping. So I just gotta get up on that, so I won't fall behind. Probably make a TikTok schedule for tomorrow, make a reel schedule for tomorrow, and then yeah, bro, so that's what I'll be finna do. So I'll probably just end up seeing y'all at home. I'm trying to see, is there anything that I want to talk about? I already talked to y'all about the account, me passing the account, waiting for the information. Yeah, so I mean, hey bro, like I said, I'll just see y'all at the crazy crib, man. Oh, look at the stadium though. This is a stadium. This is our little stadium and shit. Oh shit, that's a green light. My dumb man. I was trying to look at the stadium. Damn, I ain't one meant to be. But yeah, man, I'll see y'all bitch ass at the crib.
Hey man, so look, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I think the day that after I stopped recording, I started catching a little cold, so I didn't end up recording. But right now it's 11:37 a.m. in the morning. I got all the oh fuck, did I tell you I passed one? Yeah, I got all. Okay, so look. So update. This is, I think the last clip I recorded was 2 days ago, so y'all not gonna see this. I skipped days from recording. So boom. So The update is I got my information for my funding account. It's all ready to go. I set up my payout cycle and shit like that. Now I personally pick bi-weekly. I just feel like getting one payout a month. I mean, yeah, you get 100%, but you know, I don't. You know, it's cool, bro. I don't. You know, what I'm saying this. You know, I'm cool, bro. Like, you know, it's cool. I'm cool with that. So, another thing is, yeah, I didn't trade today. Today's Monday. I decided not to trade it. I just wasn't feeling well, and then I tried to like look at the charts a little bit to see like, okay, is it worth me just getting up even though I don't feel good? And it was like, nah, bro. I'm like, once I see the market not moving how I want it to move, I'm not gonna trade this shit. Like, I ain't gonna lie. I'm not even gonna stress it. I'm gonna just simply put my phone down, turn over, just watch YouTube. I don't know what the fuck that was. I was obviously not gonna do that shit. But yeah, man. Yeah. So right now we just packing up a little order. Right now we just got on Shopify. If y'all see that, man, make sure y'all go tap in. Order y'all keychain, y'all. So y'all order y'all keychain, y'all get this little amazing, cool METXRO investments. Thank you for shopping with the Metro. My Instagram on it, card. You feel me? So I'm finna do that. I don't really know if this is gonna be the last clip of this shit. I gotta see what all the footage I got and just decide to upload this, because I do. What's today? I do want to. Okay, well I still got time to make like a video, like just describing my year and, you know, just. I don't know. I got a couple more videos I want to drop this month, so we just gonna get to that. I'm gonna get this all packaged up. Like I said, if y'all interested in the keychain, y'all might not be able to see it, but just go to the intro, bro, and you gonna see it. You know, they fire, bro. They fire. So make sure y'all go tap in, and yeah, I might see you on the next clip, or I might see you on the next video. Don't fucking know.